Okay, this is going to be a little demonstration on how easy it is to replace a disk on an ftServer. This machine is one of our older lab systems. All of the newer systems have the same look, 8 disks per enclosure. Not all of the disk slots may be filled on your machine, however. But in this example, I'm going to be replacing a disk in the boot slot in IO enclosure 10, the top enclosure. So what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to pretend like I have a customer that has a broken disk in the top enclosure. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to pull it out. Use the green button to release the latch. Rotating the latch out and to the left unseats the drive from the backplane. Now I'm going to use this handle to pull the disk out. And that's how you do it. The disk is out. Okay, so now I've received a new disk. And Stratus has told me, you need to replace a disk. They've told me what slot it is. So I'm going to go ahead and insert the disk. I just want to show you it's as simple as sliding it in. I'm not sliding it in all the way though. You see how it's out a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to use this handle to leverage the disk in. And you can hear at the end where I snapped it in place, and this latch is now retained by this little teal colored clip. Okay, you can see that's the disk activity light here. Then I would go back over to my system and I would pull up my ftServer management console and I would look at the status of the disk. So right now I'm going in and it's IO enclosure 10, storage enclosure 40, and here are the slots. In IO enclosure 10 on my machine, I only have one disk that's populated. The rest are filler panels. I'm going to click on the disk. It's going to tell me the location, what the disk is, how big the disk is. Okay, and it's going to tell me, importantly, the operational state. We want to see that as syncing when we put a new disk in. If it doesn't, well, let's look at the other partner disk here. We'll look at the boot disk in IO enclosure 10 and 11, and we can see that they're the same disk enumeration. They're both disk 0. If they weren't the same number when you insert a new disk in and it comes in as a different number, then we have to take some other action that's not going to be included in this video. The purpose of this video is just to show you how easy it is to physically remove a disk and reinsert a disk into the Stratus ftServer. Thank you.